Welcome to my first video worklog of my Scratch build Rext. Today I'm showing you the microprocessor which controls the lighting. And yeah, here it is. It's Atmega 644 by Atmel. And these are a couple of transistors which magnify the current, so the microprocessor isn't destroyed. Well, I don't know whether it really could be damaged by a couple of LEDs, but I want to make sure it doesn't. So here we have two connectors, one for each side panel. And here's one of the side panels, the left one. I'm connecting it to the microprocessor, so now as soon as I turn it on, the side panel will light up. I'm taking the energy from my computer, from the PSU. Now the microprocessor is programmed to wait 5 seconds before doing anything. I'll change that later. So here it is. It's blinking, and yeah, I can animate the LEDs any way I want. Later I'll be able to choose the program I want with some switches. Right now I haven't soldered them in that yet, and yeah, I'll finish the front first